to replace the starter on this 95 Chevy S10 2.2 liter. Let's get into it. So here we have a brace. This brace is held up front with 2 fasteners and 1 fastener in the back by the bell housing. 15mm nut.
Yo, but my man touched his pecker on the way through. He did. Wait, we saw you grab a tangle. Wait. This guy's nice, right? Yeah, you got that stick? Yeah, nah. This goes nice, bro. Come on, you're just like a less attractive version of one of you guys. I ain't gonna eat a dick out. Hold on, here come free kick.
The bolt.
Ain't no way that ball goes in the goal.
This guy is 13mm.
Ain't no way if he sneezes a big. Inshallah. What is the
Why are they not having a Costa kick? Mark, why are they not having a Costa kick?
I don't know. I think there's an internal political.
Yeah, but Acosta was there, then they moved him.
I honestly don't know, man.
He might have been bribed.
Why wouldn't we go in Dove's account? You don't want to see a bunch of girls that do nothing for a living but take dick and go to college?
Now we gotta remove that bracket. We got some 10mm.
Nah, but you want to dip him in some like milk chocolates, like
For the back of the bracket.
Thick, bro. Right? You want to dip that? Mark? You don't want to just be like plunk.
Nah, that's a Twix, bro.
Real talk.
Take that down.
Dip that. Okay, let's go. Come on, mix. Stupid ass gloves on. Come on. Grow up, idiot. What an idiot.
Why don't they get bigger gloves? I never.
Now that's broken loose, I'm just gonna use my fingers.
Everything everywhere.
Hopefully I don't drop it. There's one.
Yeah, I feel like this coach be doing that.
My man jumping around like that.
I got a feeling they're gonna score.
Then there's a...
If I was a rich man.
Alright, so we have a 15mm fastener holding the bracket to the block. Easiest access is through the wheel well.
Good. I think as soon as they score one goal,
He's like, yo, he's trying to take a job.
He's playing pussy.
Yeah.
Right now, because like, if we weren't playing pussy and then they scored, everybody would be.
you got it.
Nah, but they got CT. Ronaldo raped the bitch.
Jesus, we're live now.
It's just truly exceptional. That's a hypothetical. You gonna get sued. You gonna get sued by
Alright.
You gonna get sued by Roro.
Allegedly.
That's unique.
There's the bracket. Now it's time to remove the cables from the back of the starter. So the signal wire is 8mm and the battery cable coming in is a 13. We're gonna have to access this through the bottom and work around this exhaust. It's a tight fit, but it's doable.
That's too many minutes. That's too many minutes.
I ran him off.
Whoa! Oh shit! Dude, don't say something edgy. He goes, I ran him off. Goes, you wait for what? Don't be an edgy. Don't be an edgy.
Shout out, whenever you're wrong.
Bandaging it up.
So it's a 15mm to dismount the starter. Extension's optional.
Than now?
I don't know. I mean.
It was the cradle of humanity at one point.
Yeah, we just so they don't score.
Swing it up. Turn it. And she'll slide out. Yes.
Some of those dates are getting sold out. Some of those dates we will be adding too. I know specifically Austin.
We got the new starter.
And possibly
There's the part number for y'all.
You can get tickets at theovon.com/TCO.
Let's go.
Make sure to access tickets through there to get accurate in price ticketing. Thank you guys so much. If you do come out to a show and you want to leave something for us, a gift or an item or something, you can always leave it with the merch. People do all kinds of things.
This bracket
Navigating life's challenges
belongs
challenging. That's why BetterHelp
on the starter,
is here to help.
and it
BetterHelp
bolts it,
therapists are trained to help you figure out the cause of challenging
secures
emotions
it to the
and
block.
unproductive coping
So starter
skills,
holes
which makes therapy the closest
right here,
thing to a guided
and this
tour
block,
of the complex
this hole
emotions
goes into the block.
that you Plus, it's affordable. Just fill out a brief questionnaire to match with a therapist. If things aren't clicking, switch. No waiting rooms, no traffic, no endless searching for the right therapist. Learn more and save 10%.
That is a political truth, which is
We
just
got the
something
brace.
that comes true just because you've heard it often. And that's a weakness we have, but not a weakness. Evolutionarily, it made sense. If you see something repeat, that's reality.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but you don't have it now. People have hijacked that urge to recognize that something that repeats. There it is.
Yeah, first of all, nowadays also we have technology, we have this advancement, like, with the internet, social media. It's easy to get things in. Yes, it's easy to, our attention span has been
Hijacked. It's hijacked. Completely. That's the word. It's the wrong word. Hijacked. And the old days we call it brainwashing, where you repeat something and it becomes true. That's hijacking. We're saying, oh, right. So,
People tell me that, like, I'm a science, I'm a regular science, I exist, everyone knows this, and everyone else
Got the starter release. All right, got that starter replaced. Nice.